back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison. I know I normally ask you to grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever you're drinking, but today's video is going to be a very short video, as it is part of a collaboration that is hosted by Penny of a Penny's Place over at Penny's Place, and her co-host is Anna, the Grace Life DIY of Home Decor. Now, I'm going to be sharing with you how I put my cute little tier tray together by using some tulips and some bunnies, and added a few eggs and a little tea cloth here. So you guys, if you're new to my channel, let me take this time to say I welcome you here. And for those of you that continue to show love and support, let me take this time to say I thank you. Now, if you're new and you want to be a part of this family, all you have to do, I'm telling you, is easy breezy. Hit that red subscribe button, tap the notification bell twice, and you will be in the know each and every time that an upload is made here. So you guys, please take a peek at my tier tray that is decorated for Easter and spring. Be blessed, you guys. Take care, and until the next video, I am your host, Gigi Faison. Thanks to the host and the co-host for this collaboration.
Now you guys know I like to give a good little wipe down before I start to decorate. So this has been sitting around, so of course it has probably collected a little dust. Well, not probably, it has collected a little dust. So I'm going to give it a good wipe down before I start to decorate. Now the little bunnies here I picked up, I think, from TJ Maxx, and I love them so much. I got 2 of them. They are not exactly the same, but they are equally as cute. So you guys continue to watch as I put this tier tray together for spring and Easter. And you guys let me know what you think by leaving a comment in the comment section.